So here it is. Now let's see, let's double check the time. Let's be precise. It is currently 11:13 p.m., so just about 5 hours later from my last video. As you can see, ooh, snow plow operations are in effect. Which is interesting because normally on South Valley, this is a state road. Normally you'd get the big state trucks kind of rolling through there. I wonder, are they subcontracting? Now that's an interesting thought. People are still out and about. It's not like there's a tremendous amount. I mean, there's some snow accumulation, obviously. We've got a few inches here. But not like a foot yet. Not by any stretch of the imagination. But this is supposed to continue for some time. And so we'll see how long is if I pull this inside my hood. I think you can hear that's the sound of the snow hitting my hood. Yeah, it looks like this. Hi! Some really big snowflakes. Yeah, it's just the middle of the road. That's, you know, the way to go, I guess. That's a thing. All right. Hard to kind of see, I guess, exactly where you're supposed to be. Well, I'm not planning on coming out at like 4 o'clock in the morning unless there's something really spectacular going on. You know, I'm thinking, you know, pretty much elephants running through the snow. Something along those lines. Something way out of the ordinary. Although it is pretty heavy snowfall. I think we can say that. I'll give you that report here from all from Pennsylvania. Again, January 19th. Just a little bit of the 19th left. We're almost into the 20th. And the diesel.